All right, in this short video, I'm going to show you how to change the battery in a Honda Accord key fob, and there's a really quick way to do this. So on the back of the fob, there's a little knob. You can see it's kind of centered right there. If you pull that towards you, that'll allow you to pull out this valet key. Now, right in the middle here, there's kind of a slot. If you stick the valet key in there and turn, it'll allow you to pop these two pieces of the key right in half and get access to the internal battery. So all you need is the valet key. Just put it right in the middle there and turn, and that's it. That's how you get access to the CR2032 this little coin battery. And you can just pop this out, again, using the valet key. And when you put a new one in, just make sure that the lettering is towards you. That's the positive side. And just pop one back in. To put this back together, just put it, pop it, valet key back in, and you're done. That's how you change the battery on the Honda Accord, and this key fob was used from 2013 till present.